Do you want to understand real English conversations while talking about food in restaurants?
Or maybe you want to speak English more confidently when ordering food.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about restaurants, favorite foods, and eating out with friends.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
So relax, get hungry, and enjoy today's conversation. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today we're talking about restaurants, delicious food, and favorite meals.
You'll hear simple English expressions people use while eating out.
Before we begin, thank you so much for supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below.
All right, Emily, I'm already hungry.
I'm too. Emily, what's your favorite food?
Definitely pizza.
Classic answer.
What about you?
I love pasta and fried rice.
That sounds delicious.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
A little, but not too spicy.
Really?
One time, I ate super spicy noodles.
Oh no.
My face turned red immediately.
Seriously?
Yes, I drank 3 glasses of water.
Poor Paul.
What's your favorite snack?
Probably French fries.
Same.
Fries are impossible to resist.
Exactly.
Do you cook at home often?
Sometimes.
Are you good at cooking? That means no.
One time I burned eggs.
No way.
Seriously.
How do you burn eggs?
I forgot about them. What about everyone listening? What's your favorite food?
Tell us in the comments. Do you enjoy eating at restaurants?
Absolutely.
What kind of restaurants do you like?
Small, cozy restaurants.
Same here. Big, noisy restaurants feel stressful sometimes.
Exactly.
What do you usually order at restaurants?
Noodles, chicken, or burgers.
Good choices.
What about you?
Soup, pasta, or seafood.
That sounds fancy. One time, I accidentally ordered the wrong food.
Really?
Yes, I thought it was chicken.
And...
It was extremely spicy seafood.
oh no.
I was suffering quietly
Why quietly?
because my friends were enjoying it.
That's funny.
Do you enjoy desserts after meals?
Of course.
Favorite dessert?
Ice cream.
Same.
What about everyone listening? Do you enjoy restaurants or home cooking more?
Tell us in the comments.
Do you enjoy eating with friends?
Definitely.
Meals feel more fun with friends.
Exactly.
What do you usually talk about during meals?
Movies, work, funny stories, everything.
Same here.
One time, my friend dropped noodles on his shirt.
Seriously?
Yes, right in the restaurant.
That sounds embarrassing.
Very embarrassing.
Did everyone laugh?
Of course. Do you enjoy trying new foods?
Yes, but slowly.
Same.
One time I tried a strange dessert.
How was it?
Honestly, confusing.
No way.
It looked sweet, but tasted salty.
That sounds strange.
Very strange.
Do you prefer eating inside restaurants or ordering delivery?
Sometimes delivery feels more comfortable.
Especially during rainy days.
Exactly.
What about everyone listening? What food do you want to eat right now?
Tell us in the comments. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.
See you in the next lesson on Everyday English Learning.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.